A lion cub is adopted and raised by a flock of sheep, learning to bleat and eat grass, believing itself to be a sheep. When a real lion confronts the cub and forces it to look at its reflection and taste raw meat, the cub's true nature is awakened and it lets out a mighty roar. Ramkrishna Paramahans says, the story teaches that the human soul, the lion cub, is inherently divine and powerful, but it forgets its true nature by living among worldly illusions, the sheep. The guru, the fierce lion, helps the disciple realize their own divine self, shedding the false identity and fear to recognize their spiritual power.